Damn. The fuck? Yo, it's already started all good. This dumbass and just set himself on fire. Boy, goofy.
What you just saw was a sex offender who just took his shot at arson
Oh
for the
shit,
first time.
he definitely deserved to
the
burn.
suspect walk onto the property,
Let him
approach a
burn.
$40,000 Cadillac Escalade with a gas can.
Dumbass
And audio from the
nigga.
surveillance can be heard of gasoline being poured on the vehicle.
Damn, that's a new caddy too. Look like it. I
He then
don't know.
lights the vehicle on fire, likely with a lighter or a match, and drops the gas can on the grass, and accidentally sets himself on fire as the vehicle
I can't
flames.
with you.
He then runs off the property in a panic. What happens next, though, will be even more unexpected.
That bitch did him dirty. She got that nigga burning. Yo, he out front of the house with it. Yo, I'm dead, cuz. What the fuck? Hell no, he patting. Hey, yo, what's that? Oh, shit. Yo, just your luck, dumbass. That's the police, ain't it? You get... Damn. Whoop, whoop. Damn. Damn. Yo, get up, bro. Yo, run. Oh, man. Hey, yo. You ain't getting far, bro. The pants fell in. Look, they fell down. Oh, no, they falling. Yo, he hurt. I know he got like 3rd-degree burns all over his shit. Damn, man. Just as the car just decided to go off. Yo, look bad as shit.
Hello. He lit a car on fire.
Hold on.
Stop resisting. Get on the ground. Hello.
Let's say, what is this, Wisconsin?
Hello, man. Shut up.
Hold on.
We're in the area of Boulevard. And
I got pissed.
Get on your stomach.
I got pissed.
He said he got what? Yo got pissed. Bro, you better pee right there. Shit. Nigga, you gotta put some of the fire out. You like cool you down.
Put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
Damn, look
Put
at
your
him.
hand.
Look at his foot. That's how fucking planet, yo. That shit like. Damn, bro.
Too. He's gonna be
He's
in
an
custody,
idiot.
and he was on fire.
Idiot.
Stop
He gets
resisting.
the fucking dumbest criminal of the year award, bro. You know, set a nigga caddy on fire, set yourself on fire, and then your ass get caught out front of the nigga house you set it on fire.
Stop fucking resisting.
Then you do it while you on fire out front of the nigga house. You get spotted by police. Police come. You get only till the next yard before you caught. Hey, there's your plaque. Dumbass. Dumbass. Oh my God.
Car on fire in the area of. Why'd you light that car on fire? Get on your feet. Get on my feet. Dispatch is fully involved. And a use of force.
Let the force. You ever seen Star Wars? What? Yeah, he forced that. Hell no, bro. I still can't get over this part.
In arson cases, potato chips are sometimes used as fire starters, which could be why the suspect mentions he has chips on him. However, since this is his first documented arson case, he could have just been hungry.
These police just overthought some shit, talking about potato chips. That's some shit. I'm glad they ain't taught me something just now. Potato chips to help you start fire?
Anything else on you that you know about?
I ain't eating them hoes no more. Crazy work. God damn.
Pulling off car fire. Get in there. Move your feet.
11, I've already updated fire.
Somebody gonna put the car out though. Like they could have saved the truck, bro. They was like, don't worry, insurance gonna take care of that shit. Hopefully he got insurance, cause if he ain't got insurance, dang. I'd have been like, my car,
vehicle that's on fire.
my car. Bro, I'd have been pissed. All the shit that was probably in my car that I ain't got under my insurance. Cause I'm stupid like that. I'd have been like, no.
All of a sudden, I'm in the vehicle. No,
my speakers, everything, nigga. Oh my.
Right over there, in front
I'd
of the
have
house.
wanted to beat his
on fire.
ass.
Praver, move your squad for fire. I got your guy.
Okay. He ain't touched the Mustang.
He lit himself on fire?
Yeah, he lit the car on fire. I was in the park. And
Yo was a hater. That's what that was. He was a pure fucking hater. Yo said, I'm gonna pick the best car back here, nigga. You owe me some money. You probably owed him some money. Probably did some yard work. The fiend got mad and set his car on fire. Yo did it like, man, I got these bullshit ass drugs.
What?
I can't breathe.
Shut up.
I can't breathe.
Shut up.
You can't breathe, man. God, you gotta attend to that, man. Oh yeah, man. We know you burning, bro. Your nuts is burning, bro. All that burning.
Shut up. You lit yourself on fire.
Yeah.
See, all of a sudden, you lit yourself on fire. Okay.
No injuries or anything. Someone needs to check him out because he is on fire.
Okay. You got a med unit coming?
Yeah, that's fine.
We're gonna deal with this.
Yeah, deal with that. He can wait.
That boy's dumb as
Is that
shit.
your Escalade? That's your Escalade? Yeah. Okay, you got your ID, boss?
Yeah. Oh, I don't know.
Yep.
Is that a nigga voice or a woman,
I saw him
bro?
on the front.
I swear that was a bald nigga.
Left
Bald.
leg
Hey,
was on fire.
why you ain't got no head there?
Leg was on
Looking like a
fire, and then
volleyball.
I put two and two together.
Golf
He
ball.
was running. So I told him to stop. I pulled up, told him to stop, and he started. And then, yeah, because he was running. So I pulled up.
My man looks so
told him to
blue.
stop, and he continued running.
He don't want to
Took
be
him
here.
down over there.
All this paperwork I'm about to have to do.
There's mine.
After police spoke further with the victim who owns the Cadillac Escalade,
They didn't
he
even
revealed
check
his
you
vehicle
out?
was worth approximately
He left him in there.
$40,000 and that he didn't give anyone permission to set his car on fire. He also said that he doesn't know who the suspect is. The suspect, Stephen, has a wide range of criminal history, including being a sex offender and not registering himself as one, domestic battery, soliciting a child and tampering with a GPS device, while he had never had any history of committing arson. For this case, he was charged with felony arson of a property other than a building, felony bail jumping, and resisting obstructing. After pleading guilty to all three charges, he was sentenced to 2 years in prison and 2 years of extended supervision. He was also ordered to have no contact with the victim, pursue and maintain employment, complete a mental health evaluation, and to pay $14,106.52 for restitution to the victim. While Milwaukee, Wisconsin has a history of large amounts of arson incidents in previous years, recent data from the Milwaukee Police Department suggests arson-involved crimes are actually beginning to trend down, with a 41% decrease from 2025 to 2026. Throughout the past 10 years, police in Milwaukee and around the country have taken measures to help prevent and deal with arson cases, working closely with fire departments, partnering with federal departments like ATF, and increasing advertisements for the public to report suspicious activity are some of the many strategies police departments around the country have employed and continue to practice.
Hey man, thanks for watching my videos, everybody. Stay tuned for the next one at Big Migos channel. Till next time.